Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to show you some new seeds which arrived from United States, from California. And one friend, his name is Todd, sent me seeds like a gift, and I really thanks so much to him. And sent about some varieties of seeds of vegetables like tomatoes, and just to see, have to open this envelope with seeds, and we'll see, and I have to plant them soon and hope will germinate. So happy I am because America is too far from Moldova, and I love it. And another seeds he said send me and is on the way. I wait for them, then I will show you. So now let's open this mail and see what seeds he sent me. Here we go. And a beautiful picture, as you can see. Awesome. Look at it. Awesome. And here we go. Here are some varieties of seeds, and a letter, and I have to read it, Hi George, there is a Chinese purple laundry and made heather. They are both edible, and when we made heather, don't read, it tastes like pineapple with lime. Enjoy, Todd. Hope you understand how I did read, That's it. Thanks, Todd, so much for these amazing seeds, and I'm waiting for another seeds you send me. Awesome. I'm gonna show you close up as well these seeds, and let me do that. And here we go. So looking the seeds here. Awesome. Purple lantern and mad hatter. Okay. And the letter here, as you can see. Amazing. Thanks so much. Well, I so enjoyed these seeds, Todd. Thanks so much. And that's it for this video. I'm gonna sow the seeds soon, and hope you enjoyed the video. Have an amazing day. If you want, can subscribe to my photography channel. Link is in the corner and in description. And don't forget to get notification to click that bell. And thanks so much. See you next time. Bye bye.